I was worried about you guys. I couldn't help it. Didn't see you for 3 or 4 days. I'm glad to see you again. I thought a chick was missing, that it came out of the woods. It was lagging behind. They're all here, all present and accounted for, and all well. Great. They run so fast. They can really fly. They can actually fly, of course, but where were you guys? They may well have been here just when I wasn't outside. A couple of good mamas, though, taking care of those young ones. And they join together. Safety in numbers, right? Alrighty then. All is well.